Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy PEPE coin on MetaMask wallet. So first of all, you want to go to MetaMask and change the network into Ethereum mainnet because PEPE is on Ethereum contract, as you can see right there. Now we can go ahead and copy the contract address. Now on MetaMask, first of all, you need to go ahead and have Ethereum on Ethereum mainnet. You can either buy it here or you can go ahead and receive it. So to receive it, you just need to go ahead and copy to clipboard your MetaMask wallet address. Go to, for example, Binance and withdraw crypto, select the coin Ethereum, enter the address of your MetaMask wallet, select the network Ethereum, and enter the amount and click withdraw. After that, once you will have Ethereum, you can go ahead and click swap. And you want to select the token. So instead of just searching for PEPE, you want to enter the contract address and click on PEPE. Now you will enter how much you want to spend on Ethereum. And now you need to wait a little bit for it to show you how much you will get. That's how much you will get of PEPE. The gas fee is that much. And that's basically it. After that, you just click swap and you will have your PEPE on MetaMask wallet. If you will not see it here, you just click import tokens. Again, you can enter the same address, click on it next, import PEPE, and here you have it now. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.